What's up, fam? Reu-Arts here. I know it's been a while, but I'm back with another insightful lesson about Creative Process 101, how to make something original. Most of the time, students consume a lot of time thinking about how to start an art project, worried about being original, and how to come up with a new idea. Well, guess what? There is no such thing as new idea. That's according to Mark Twain. Every idea has been explored before, but the good news is it wasn't explored by you. That means your original perspective of all these ideas are still waiting to be created. First of all, to claim something original, you'll need receipts or proof. That's why learning and studying Creative Process 101 will help you achieve that. Now, there are four goals in the creative process: record, explore, develop, and present. But before jumping into any of that, you have to make sure that you already have your chosen topic or your chosen theme. Step 1. Record your ideas. You need to show where your thoughts started. You can do this by creating a mind map. What is a mind map? You start with a theme in the middle and then branch out with every random, cool, or even weird ideas that you can think of that's relevant to your theme. Number 2. Primary photos. Take your own photographs of objects or places that match your theme. You can play with lightings or even the angles. And last, observational drawings. Don't just copy from the screen. Go outside, touch some grass, sit down and draw directly from real life. And oh, by the way, don't forget to write your annotation. You have to explain why you chose it. Step 2. Experiment and explore. This is the messy phase where you try new things and look at other artists for inspiration. So what can you do? Material trials. Try at least 3 different media. For example, paint, charcoal, ink, collage, or clay, to see which one fits the mood best. And also, you can do artist research. Find artists who work with similar themes or style. Try to copy their style and apply it to your chosen topic. And also write your annotation. Explain what worked and what went wrong. Now, after you have gained experience, after you've gained the knowledge from your recording of ideas and experimental phase, the next step is development and improvement. This is where you stop guessing and start planning for your final piece. What can you do? Number 1, refine the details. Take the best parts of your sketches and material trials and do bigger works, more detailed artworks. Fix any of the mistakes. Number 2, create composition. At least draw 3 or 4 small layout ideas or thumbnail sketches to figure out where things should go on the page. And of course, your final plan. Test your final color choices and decide on the exact size and materials for the final work. And of course, don't forget your annotation. Explain the choices that you are making for the final piece. Finally, step 4, the final presentation, the grand finale of your hard work. Divided in 2 parts. First, the final artwork. You have to complete your absolute best piece of art based on your planning. And the second one is your portfolio layout. This is where your receipts will be, your proof. You have to arrange your sketchbook or your boards so anyone looking can follow the story from the first mind map straight to the finished product. Now, to sum it up, first, record your ideas. Number 2, experiment. Number 3, whatever you learn from the experiments, put it all together and develop it. And lastly, arrange them together to create the final presentation. That's it. Now you have your receipts, you have your proof. This is Creative Process 101, how to make something original. Thanks for listening, fam. And remember, you were born an original, so don't die as a copy. Till death, we do art.